Alright, this is how I rig mine up. Got a little swivel here. And we're going to make a canoe man loop knot. Canoe man knot. Go. Put it in through there. Hold it there. Put your swivel on. Run it through the inner loop. Pull it together. And there we go. Trim off the tag. There we go. And just depends. I usually keep it about this long, maybe 8 inches, something like that. So we're going to get our little treble hook. Smallest one they make that I have found. I'm not sure the size number on it, but it's the smallest one they got. Small treble hook. Gonna make another canoe man loop, canoe man knot. Grab it from here. Make a little loop. Another loop, just the same. Run this loop through the other one. Hold it right there. Put your hook on. And through the inner loop. And pull them tight. And cut the tag off. There we go. And there you got the little rig. It's a little long, what I usually put them, but it'll work. And now we get a little ball squeeze on sinker. Put it right under the, well, let's make a little knot on the line here, so that sinker doesn't run up and down. Put it right close to the swivel. And just tighten it down. There we go. And we can put this little sinker on here. Alright, well, we got the line in through the little sinker, and we'll just squeeze it shut. There. And now we got that little knot right on the line there, so sometimes it tends to run. It'll just go that far. And there you have it. Little setup for catching croakers and pinfish, and use them for bait, live bait. And all you do is put it on your pole and just let it drop right by the kayak straight down and let it hit bottom, and then just hold it there. And it won't take long if they're around, boy, they start coming and grabbing. Put a small pieces. They love shrimp, but they will hit mullet also. But cause the shrimp, they love it, but boy, they take it pretty quick. So the mullet, they have a little harder time taking it off the hook, so it'll last longer on there before you have to change it or put another one on. So that's all you do. Nice little setup. Alrighty.